Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful car. It's a 1969 Camaro Z28. She's finished in frost green, which I don't really see a lot. It's an X77 car with a lot of X33 trim, which really rounds it off nicely. Got the owner, Joe, here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Joe?
Okay, good. So, yeah, I've had the car for, about 13 years. It was done when I first got it, and I've done a lot of work to it after getting it. I redid the interior. The exterior was repainted around 2014. It's all metal, everything on there. They replaced the door skins, the fenders. The quarters were fine, so they didn't do anything with the quarters. Everything seems to line up really nice. It's numbers matching engine, then that motor's been redone, so everything's in really good shape. It's a very original looking car.
It is.
Everything works on the interior, even the AM radio works, and I have a little FM converter that I had back in the day, and that still works.
Really
So,
cool. And
yeah.
you had one of these in the day, right?
I did. I had it back in 1969, 70. I had almost the exact one. The only difference that I had was that mine had a vinyl roof.
Oh, wow.
So,
I kind of like it without the vinyl roof.
yeah, I do too. Yeah,
You
it's
know?
a different look. So.
Looks great. So clean without the vinyl roof. And the X33 trim, it really, and in this color, it really makes it look like a gentleman's car, you know?
It does stand out.
Different. They're all Cortez silver or tuxedo black. Man, so pretty. Super straight body. Gorgeous lines and fitment. Rosewood wheel. You got the rock crusher in it too, right?
What was that?
You got the rock crusher?
Yes.
Yeah, what a pretty car. It's so unique in this color. Beautifully painted stripes. T3 headlights. God, so pretty. The rosewood wheel, you know?
Yeah. And that's a 5-speed in there now.
Oh, it's a Tremec?
Yeah. I took the 4-speed out.
Yeah, it gives it a lower leg on the highway,
anyway,
yeah.
And the 5-speed was much better on the highway.
Oh, I agree.
Wanted to get those RPMs down.
Yeah.
Didn't want to beat up a 50-plus-year-old engine.
No, of course not. It's a cruiser. I have a Tremec in my 71 Cuda.
Uh-huh.
It makes a big difference.
Yes, it really does. It makes a huge difference.
And it just the sheer ratchety, clickety feel of it. You know, it feels good in your palm.
Absolutely.
Correct spoiler. See how that's turned down like that? That's how it's supposed to be. Beautiful straight body. Gorgeous chrome and stainless. Beautiful felts in the doors. Look at that. Joe, this is such a pretty example. Beautiful sills. Carpet. Not many miles on the interior, huh?
No, since it's been redone now.
Yeah.
I mean, last year I think I put a total of about 50 miles on it.
Never enough time.
Never enough time. That's exactly the problem.
That's what I always say.
That's one of the reasons why I'm selling it, because it's just sitting there, and it's a shame.
It is, yeah.
You know, somebody can really enjoy it.
Oh man, 69,385 miles. Man, what a pretty car. You got the added Bluetooth too, which is pretty cool. Is that an original radio or a?
That's the original Delco radio.
Wow, very
it
cool.
It does work. It's not hooked up now. I have a little stereo in the glove box.
Oh, that's where you get the Bluetooth.
Right.
Oh, I see.
Right.
Cool. Rally gauges. And the remote from that. And gorgeous dash. This wheel is just beautiful. Gorgeous door panels. package tray. Sail tanners are beautiful. Nice and crispy in the back here. You usually get beat up from people in the back seat kicking it, you know?
Yeah, kicking that back plate, yeah.
Yeah.
Scuffing it up.
Like, don't put your feet on my seat.
Wipe your feet before you get in the car.
Yeah. Man, so pretty. Love this frost green too, you know?
Yeah, it really did it. You know, when I was, thinking about repainting it, my wife actually was the one that said, why don't we put it back to the original color? And I belong to the Long Island Camaro Club. And
Yeah.
the other members said, oh, that's, you really should. So I thought about it. I looked at the color and I said, done. So
Yeah.
they took it right down to bare metal and,
Cool.
and they redid it.
And the door shut gorgeous too. Can you pop the hood?
Sure.
Does it have the chambered exhaust on it?
Yes, it does.
Cool. It's very expensive. No expense spared. Guess it helps to be a lawyer and a CPA at the same time. That's amazing. I just can't even. You get the right shielding on the manifolds.
I was a regular customer of Rick's. That's
Oh,
where I got
yeah?
most of the parts.
Oh, okay, good.
So
It's a great venue. Optima Gel Battery. Got the quadrajet under here?
no.
It's a Holly. Cool. Actually run better anyway. Power steering, power brakes. And there it is. Cool. Man, so pretty. Can you fire it up?
Sure.
And right down to the padding under the hood. Sounds so good. It's like music to my ears.
The chamber exhaust.
Right?
That's what it
It
is.
really is. You know, they use that same chamber in the side pipe,
Yeah.
and it sounds so good. It's like music.
Yeah.
So pretty. Can we go for a quick ride?
Sure.
Let's go. Oh my God. So pretty.
Want to go that way?
Yeah. That wheel's so pretty. Yeah. Like the 5-speed too.
Yeah. Go that way.
Yeah. I think you're in like fifth. There we go. Nice. Man, that sounds so good.
Yeah.
Petersburg. Pretty.
Yeah.
Man, nice day, huh, Joe?
Yeah, beautiful. Couldn't ask for a better day to do this.
Right? guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call. Hey, Joe, thank you so much for bringing the car out today. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
And hit us up, 631-339-0399. You can check out the website too. It's about 200 photos today. So, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.